What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing 10. All these ends, why you motherfuckers got to be? I'm just cops again. Eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So like we're getting into everything like straight off the bat. I washed my hair and I blow dried it a bit. Like, do you see sis? Like, this hair can go in a ponytail. But yeah, I blow dried it a bit because it's like that autumn going into winter time. It's really cold, so I can't have my hair like air dried. I've been getting really sick. But for this hair tutorial, guys, I'm going to be doing a ponytail. Like, I started out with my hair in two sections, and then like the back section I split that in two because I didn't want to like take forever to do my hair, and I was trying to be done real quick, but that didn't work out for me. I tried using Evan's edge control as a all over like gel in my hair. Like, you know, I usually use a Style Factor edge control as, you know, my go-to thing that I use all over my hair. However, this Evan edge control, I used it before on my edges and it works pretty well, but as a all over like product in your hair, it was not working for me. I don't know what was happening with my hair. It was getting really knotty, and then I tried using some clear ice gel over top, but that didn't really work for me either. Like, the combination was just not working out, and I put my hair in like the first ponytail. So like after checking what it looked like let me show you. Like, we literally had to abort the mission. Like, that was not working out. Like, what is that? So I went in and I got my usual Style Factor products. I'm using this pomade that they have. It's their new hair pomade, and I'm using that. I had trouble doing the back of my hair, guys, because the first two combinations of products were not working well with each other. So my hair was like really knotty and it wasn't really going up in a ponytail. So I used the Style Factor hair pomade throughout the rest of the hair, and I tried my best to save it. Thank God I ended up finessing this. Like, I was really stressed out because my hair was not cooperating, guys. And I really wanted my ponytail to look sleek because I wanted like a sleek high ponytail with like some cute little edges, and that's it. I didn't want to do anything extra. I just wanted it really sleek with cute edges. That's the aim for this hair tutorial. And guys, the hair products that I'm using today, like the hair that I'm going to be using, is a ponytail, and it is from CutiePieTresses. Guys, this hair company is a new hair company, and they're offering free shipping. Like, they have a free shipping code. I'm going to leave my discount code in the description bar. My discount code is crowned with a dash and F5. I'm going to leave like all that in the description bar. But guys, do you see me stressing out in the video? Like, I was having such a hard time getting my hair in the ponytail at the back. Oh my god. But as I was saying, they have free shipping, and if you use my code, you'll definitely get a free ship. CutiePieTresses, they use 100% virgin human hair, and they do like natural hair wigs, they do natural hair ponytails, and all of that. Sectioning is key if you have 4C hair like mine. Sectioning is key. You have to section your hair for it to lay. If you don't, the hair will not be smooth and your ponytail will be trash, like dead ass. Like, your ponytail will not look cute and I don't want my hair bumpy. I like my hair smooth and sleek, and I'm gonna show y'all, like, as per usual, how I get like a sleek updo and we don't have a relaxer or nothing. But yeah, like, this is the process, and you can't like short changes and like try to like skip the steps, because I really tried doing that and it wasn't working. So this is basically it, guys. The hair is finally cooperating enough, and it's in a ponytail. So I'm gonna work on my little edge art that I wanted to do, which took me forever. Like, I don't know what's going on with my hair. Like, in this video, my hair was just not cooperating with me. Like, it was not cooperating with me. But at the end of the day, I rule, and I did my ponytail and it worked out great. Like, I was not stopping until I got the ponytail that I wanted to. As it relates to like your edges, guys, there's no set way to do anything. I feel like you should just play around with it, have fun, and then, you know, like, whatever you come up with, like, that's that. You just gonna rock it. Because I really wanted those little swirly things, and I was just stopping until I got them. So the edge art came out how I wanted to, and I'm just loving it. Loving it. And I think the ponytail worked out, even though it was trying my life. And I'm just like, you know, going in with my rapid styling strips, you know, the usual things that I do. And if you have never seen any of my previous videos, like, please go check out one of my ponytail videos from when my hair was like really short, like my struggle ponytail videos that I be sleeking the heck out of my hair, even though it was really short. Now we're kind of stepping up a little bit because it's growing, but you know, we still in the TWA committee. But yeah, please feel free to check out some more of my other videos. If this is your first time, please feel free to subscribe. And yeah, just like that, we're back, and the hair is like a little bit dry, and you guys, I'm in awe. Like, my edges are so cute. My hair was sitting and it's ready for this pony slay. Like, it's ready for this pony slay. So again, guys, this is a ponytail from CutiePieTresses. That's the packaging. It's really pretty. I love their packaging. Like, the color pink, it's on me. I love the color. And it comes with like a pamphlet on the hair, the different things that they sell. They have all kinds of like natural hair products, like wigs, you know, the usual clip-ins, everything. They have ponytails, they have a lot of things. And it came with some really cute lashes. I was surprised. Them lashes look fire. They sent mink lashes. And that's the ponytail. It's a drawstring ponytail, and I have a 20-inch Kinky Curly, and it's 100% virgin human hair. The drawstring has 2 clips and, you know, a drawstring. And guys, you can always like wash your extensions before you wear them, like co-wash them, but I didn't do that. I think the hair looks pretty good. I love the texture. I went in with like water in the spray bottle, and you could always use like conditioner, you know, in a spray bottle with water, but I just used like plain water. And I went in and I just like raked the hair out and just like kind of like fluffed it up. Like, I'm having a good edge day. So I raked it out and just like fluffed the hair out. And I'm using my Cantu to Fine and Shine Custard. This is what I use in all my curly hair extensions. Like, it's a light and it defines the curls, and it's water based, so that's really good. So when you add like water, you could always just like refresh your style with just water without adding more products. And look at that. Look at the bounce back, like the definition. The curls look really nice. And I feel like I got carried away. I almost like washed the whole hair. When I was done, the ponytail was really like wet because I was loving how the curls got defined with product. So it really does take well to product. So it's definitely 100% human hair. And to put it on, it was really easy. I inserted the clip at the front, the clip in the back, and then I like draw the string, wrap the string around, and I just tuck the string under the ponytail, and just like that, we're secured. Like, we're really secured, sis. And guys, at first I was scared because the ponytail looks a little like a little thin, but it wasn't thin. It's because I soaked it with all that product, so it was like in a wet stage, so I wasn't seeing that. But as soon as I like continued, and by the time I got finished with my hair and the hair started drying, the ponytail really started getting body, like it's really full when it's dry. So I'm taking a piece of the hair and I'm wrapping it around the base just to neaten everything so we look clean and slayed. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, or if you're enjoying this video so far, like leave me a comment down below, please. Guys, I keep saying leave me comments, but I don't think y'all are listening to me. Like, leave me a comment, leave me a like, share with your friends, like subscribe, like it does a lot for my channel. Guys, this is like the final look, and this is the different ways that you can slay this ponytail. Let me know down below like what you think. I'll definitely be catching you in my next one, and be sure to check out my discount code. It's down in the description bar. I love you guys so much, and if you're like at this far in the video, like subscribe already, honey. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Mwah.